He is so old that nobody hire him for any job. He don't want to be a beggar, but he don't have any other option to make his living. Rich people hire him for work, and when he done his work, they don't pay him money, and he cry in front of them, but they don't pay him money, and he left the job. He goes to the bus stops and other places to collect plastic bottles and plastic wastage. This uncle, this old man, is responsible to pay the bill, but his electricity is using someone else. Uncle is saying that her age is 5 years, and she's saying that her age is 9 years. So there is a conflict. We are getting the things that Babaji needs urgently. Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are fine, and welcome back to my another video. This time I am with an old man who is living in a very poor area, and the main problem with this man was that he is not able to earn money because he is so old that nobody hire him for any job, and there are lots of responsibilities in his shoulders. Because let me share you the story of this old man. Few days back I met this old man on a road, and I talked to him, and he told me a very sad thing, and it really broke my heart. He told me that he don't want to be a beggar, but he don't have any other option to make his living. He has only one option to make his living, is to collect the plastic bags and plastic bottles and sell them out. And this thing, with these plastic bottles, he can make only 2 or 3 hundreds per day. You know, with 3 or 2 hundreds per day, he cannot make his living and his family's living, because you can imagine with 2 or 300 you cannot buy the necessary things to like food or other things. Actually, this old man has 5 kids, 2 daughters and 3 sons. So 2 elder sons already got married, and they are living their lives with their wives, but their wives don't allow this old man to live with them. So this old man and his younger kids are hopeless and homeless, and then they got a room in a very poor area to make their living. And this man tried lots of effort to get work in different organizations. Like he said me that he went to schools to get a security guard job, or he even is ready to do a cleaning job for any hospital, for any house, etc. But nobody is going to hire him because he's so old, and they think that this man is not reliable. So in this video I will talk to him and will tell you his real story. So I will ask him that how this all thing happened in his life, that his elder sons left him alone, and he's making his living with his kids. तो चाचा जी मैंने दसो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੇਟੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿਣ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ?
ਬੱਚੇ ਜੀ 2 ਮਰ ਗਏ, ਵੱਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਆ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਮਰ ਗਏ ਹੋਣ, ਤੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਹਨ ਦੋ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਬੀਬੀਆਂ ਡਾਡੀਆਂ ਜੀ, ਤੇ ਉਹ ਛੋਟੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਮਾਈਟਰਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਰਾਜੀ। ਇਹ ਬੈਠੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨਾ ਰਹਿਣ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਕੋਲ ਰਹਿ ਸਕਦਾ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਛੋਟਿਆਂ ਕੋਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਗਾਂ ਚਲੀਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ।
This old man is telling us that his elder sons left them alone, and these small kids can't live without their mom. So this old man is also giving them the love of their mom, and also trying his best to give them food and give them shelter. Even he don't have any source of money, but he tries his best to make their living. अच्छा अंकल जी, ਇਹ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਉੱਥੇ?
ਉੱਥੇ ਜੀ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਜੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਿਆਣੇ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੀਵੇ ਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਮੀਂਦਾਰ ਦਾ, ਉਹ ਜੀ ਪੈਸਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦਾ। ਚੱਲੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਆਇਆ नाले जिथे पुत्र मरे वठ रह भी नहीं सो बुढ़ा बंदा सकता। अपनी भी बीवी नहीं, अपनी चरोखनी जी खत्म हो गई है।
सही
तो इन्होंने भी बीवियां अगां चली गई, एक ढूंढी मार गई तो ढूंढी अगां चली गई।
सही। तो जमींदारा अलग की कहानी है, जमींदारा की याद है?
जमींदारा जी वो काम कर रहे ना जिन्ना दा करीबे वो तनख्वाह नहीं देंगे, पैसा नहीं
मतलब काम करा के पैसे नहीं देंगे
जी।
This old man is also telling that some rich people hire him for work, and when he done his work, they don't pay him money, and he cry in front of them, but they don't pay him money, and he left the job. तो ਹੁਣ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਕੀ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?
ये गुजारा कर रहे हैं। आप बोतल शोतल चौक ले बड़ा कोई बंदो है तो कोई पैसा मांग लिया तो अपना गुजारा कर लिया, किराया भी भर लिया, बिल बिजली का भी भर लिया, किराए नालों जी बिल ढेर आ जाता।
So I asked this old man that how he's making his living, and he told me that he don't have any work to do, so he goes to the bus stops and other places to collect plastic bottles and plastic wastage and collect them and sell them to some shops, you know, where recycling shops. This thing can give him a very less money. This money don't help him to make his or his children's living, but he have no other option to make money. ਇਹ ਮਕਾਨ ਦਾ ਕਿਰਾਇਆ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੈ? ਮਕਾਨ ਦਾ ਕਿਰਾਇਆ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਤੇ ਬਿੱਲ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ?
ਬਿੱਲ ਜੀ ਬੜਾ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, 8000 ਵੀ ਹਿੱਸੇ ਦਾ ਤੀਜੇ ਤੇ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, 6,000 ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, 7,000 ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਕਿਰਾਇਆ 6,000।
ठीक है। The rent of this room that he got for living is 6,000 rupees Pakistani, and the electricity bill is also comes very high in his room because he says that in neighborhood somebody is illegally using his meter to, you know, corruption is going on here with his meter, and somebody is using his electricity meter to use the electricity, so the bill is on this uncle's head. I mean, this uncle, this old man is responsible to pay the bill, but his electricity is using someone else. I don't know why this is happening, but this is actually happening here. इनकी बाबा जी की बेटी हैं, ठीक है, इनके साथ रहती हैं, बाबा जी की खिदमत भी करती हैं। मुझे बताएं, उर्दू में बात कर लेंगे आप बेटा? ठीक हाँ। तो मुझे बताओ, आप पढ़ाई आपने बिल्कुल नहीं की या अभी पढ़ाई आपने छोड़ दी है?
छोड़ दी है, मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं की।
मस्जिद बन दी,
मस्जिद जाती हूँ।
अच्छा, मस्जिद जाती हो आप? हैं, सिपारा पढ़ती है वहाँ पे जाके?
जी।
ठीक है। अच्छा, मुझे बताओ कि क्या कहते हैं आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम फेस होती है घर में रहने की? कभी खाना नहीं है, कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम जो आपको फेस होती है, मुझे बताएं थोड़ी।
गैस नहीं होता इसलिए रोज नाश्ता नहीं करते।
दिस लिटिल किड इज फीलिंग शाय। अच्छा, आपको बेटा स्कूल जाने को दिल करता है?
जी करता है, पर मैं चाहती नहीं हूँ।
अच्छा, आपकी उम्र कितनी है? आपका नाम क्या है?
कौसर बतूल।
और उम्र कितनी है आपकी?
6-7 साल, 5-6 साल,
9 साल।
5-1 साल जी होने, 5-1
चलो, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात
आपके घर
नहीं।
का-
Uncle is saying that her age is 5 years and she is saying that her age is 9 years. So there is a conflict. But no worry, uncle is actually an old man, so his memory is bit weak. I think she is 9 years old. आप 9 साल की हो ना? ठीक है, ठीक है।
कार का
I asked her that what she ate today in the breakfast, and she's going to reply now. बताएं। She's feeling very shy. So no problem. आपके महीने का खर्चा कितना है? So I'm here. I'm going to ask this old man that how is his monthly expenses of rent, of his living, and etc. Total, what is the amount that he needs every month to make his living? कितने पैसे आपको महीने के चाहिए होते तो आपका गुजारा हो जाएगा?
महीने का गुजारा जी मारो जरा अपने पार्टी जमा करे वो कर सकते मोबाइल फोन दसे ढेर आ जाता, किराया थोड़ा तो मोड़ा आटे का भी खर्चा, गेहूं का भी, अगो दाल शाली में आप खर्चा तुम लिखे पड़े हो।
I'm really feeling sorry because we had a very limited budget to help this poor family, and within that budget they will be able to only make their living for only 1 week. But I request the people who are watching this video, maybe from Pakistan, maybe from the USA, they can help this man or even this type of other poor people, poor families that I will bring in front of the camera in future in my upcoming videos. And they can sponsor these families, they can send their money. If you are from Pakistan, you can contact them directly. I will guide you. It will be very good if you give them the aid or the money monthly basis, because they are not able to earn money. This old man is also requesting me again and again that he don't want to beg in front of other people, so he need work. If someone is able to give him work, please contact me. And if someone has contacts in any small organizations that they need a security guard, they need a gardener, they need a kitchen guy, they need a house cleaner, so this man is available, and I will also give you responsibility of this person. So me and Babaji are standing in front of a shop, and we are getting the things that Babaji needs urgently. And I told the shopkeeper to give the things within our budget. दिस मैन लिव्स इन ढोक काले खान. ये ढोक काला खान में रहते हैं, तो आपको अगर इनसे कांटेक्ट करना हो, उनकी हेल्प करनी हो, तो आप मुझसे भी रब्ता कर सकते हैं और डायरेक्टली इनके पास भी आ सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो. होपफुली सी यू सून.